do not use too many animations. What is animations? Let's go. Use animations, but use some decent animations. Don't use some hustle bustle animations. One come from one side, another come from another corner. Let me give you examples from my PhD thesis. This is my objectives. Now let's see my animations. My first objective just appear. My second objective just appear. Very nice. My third objective just appear. Why I don't bring this together? When I brought these together, so people will get confused. So my objective are 3, and I just put one objective very nicely, another objective, third objective. This is fine. These animations are fine. Let's see what animations I don't recommend. Look this. You see? Again. Look, another one from corner. Look the third one. You see? It is not send good impression. The second important thing is it wasting time. Look, I told I will give reasons that why you need to use this step. I will must provide the rationale, the reason behind that why you need to use this step. Why you don't need to use this, and why you need to use this. I provide the reasons. These animations basically wasting time, and it looks awkward that you think that the audience do not know things that you're bringing from here and there. So use simple and very basic animations, and don't use a lot of animations. So I don't recommend these kind of animations. These kind of animations you see here. And these animations, where these animations come from? These animations come from, you just select, goes to animations, and it's come from here. You see here? You see? So I don't recommend these animations. Just simple appear. Here, this one also not recommend. This one also not recommend. It is there in PowerPoint. I don't know for what purpose. I don't want that. This is not good. But what my experience says that do not put too many animations. Put very less animations and use very basic animations. If you look at here, for example, you see here, very basic animation, you see, very fast. You see, this one also a little bit decent, but this one I don't recommend. Okay. Oh, this one is also, just look my methodology here. You see, very simple, you see, very nice flow. So I strongly recommend use very few animations and you use very decent animations. So I hope it's very, very clear, and hope you learn how to improve your presentation and how to enhance retention, audience retention. Thanks for watching.